Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is XP Pen Deco MW pen tablet. This is the Bluetooth one, as it is saying. I got it off of Amazon and I got this for 7,000 rupees. It was out of stock on the XP Pen official website. So this was the last piece off of Amazon. Let's unbox it. So this is the box, very decent, classy box, and this is how the tablet looks like. It's a graphic tablet, and this is the stylus that comes with it. It's a very nice stylus, good to hold, everything nice. These are the other things that come with the tablet in the box. Let's open them. So as you can see, this is the cord to connect it to your laptop or device with the help of, if you don't want to use the Bluetooth feature of it, this is for that. And this is for the Bluetooth feature of it, if you want to use it through the Bluetooth. So this is for that. These are the extra nibs, and this is the adapter for this little thing here. This is the Bluetooth adapter, and this is supposed to be plugged onto your laptop computer. And if it does not have this USB port, for example, if you're using this tablet for your mobile phone or your on your tablet or something which has these ports, that is type C and micro USB, so it is for that. And yes, so there are 3 manuals in here. This is the quick guide, and it is in many languages. And this is also another manual. This is the warranty card that you get with it. Let's open the pen. Let's remove the covering of it, this covering. So this is the pen. This is the pen, and I feel like it is quite comfortable to use. Although the long-term review is yet to be recorded, because I just got this. It will be done in a few months. I'll get to know about it. Now this is about the tablet. So it is with this protective film, and it says that please remove it before using, but I'm going to try without using it, because I am frightful that it might get scratched or something, because I have not ordered anything to protect this the surface of it. And it feels quite lightweight. It feels very sturdy, good build quality, and it has these anti-skid pads attached to it on the bottom of it. And regarding the ports, this is the first port. This is the first port, and this is a type C port, and I think this is the power button here. If you can see, this is the power button. And so basically you're supposed to connect through this with the help of this, because this is type C, to your computer. And I forgot to tell you that this little metal piece, it is for changing the nibs of the stylus. So I will try it and let you know. Consider subscribing my channel if you like this video. Hit like and share with your friends. If anyone is looking for online teaching, or they are looking for a graphic tablet for art or for teaching. Thank you very much for watching.